Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest gadgets and appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of vacuum cleaners with the Hoover HL4 Pet. Now, before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you never miss out on our latest reviews. The Hoover HL4 Pet is making waves in the vacuum cleaner market, offering powerful suction and a range of features at a great price point. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk design and features. The Hoover HL4 Pet sports a sleek and modern look, with a lift-off cylinder for easy cleaning on stairs and other tricky areas. Plus, it comes with a pet tool, perfect for tackling pet hair on sofas and upholstery. One standout feature is the anti-twist floor head, designed to prevent hair from tangling around the brush. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in maintenance. Using the Hoover HL4 Pet is a breeze. With just a single switch, you can transition between carpet and hard floor mode. And weighing in at just 5 kilograms, it's easy to maneuver around the house. Now, let's talk performance. With a whopping 243 air watts of suction power, this vacuum gets the job done efficiently. From carpets to hard floors, it picks up dirt and debris with ease. In my tests, the Hoover HL4 Pet excelled, scoring high marks in both carpet and hard floor cleaning. It even tackled pet hair with ease, leaving surfaces looking spotless. So, should you buy the Hoover HL4 Pet? If you're in the market for a reliable and affordable upright vacuum cleaner, this one's definitely worth considering. With its powerful suction, easy maneuverability, and pet-friendly features, it's a solid choice for keeping your home clean. That's a wrap on our review of the Hoover HL4 Pet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy cleaning!